Hi, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. I'm here in Austria, it's afternoon, and I want to share with you my opinion on the current spending problem the US government has and the effects on the markets that I see. In my opinion, this all may cause huge problems, as at some point investors in the market will recognize that the Treasury bonds are not that good investment as they think. They buy and buy and buy Treasury bonds, but the rising debt will bring pressure on the Fed to raise the interest rates somewhere in the future, and the investors will be disappointed, investors that buy the Treasury bonds now. So yeah, it may become difficult, especially with the endless money printing. Stock markets are still up. Yeah, there's the push liquidity in the market. I don't think that the stocks are valued at a fair price. I think it's too high, but I can imagine that we will see new highs in the Dow Jones. But at some point, I don't know when exactly, but I fear, or I guess it won't take that long. Markets will see the mess, will begin to see the mess. The hype will be over. Inflation will hit in. Interest rates may start to rise. And yeah, I think there is a really big crisis ahead of us. We have many risk factors all around the world. As I said, the endless debates on the debt ceiling in the USA. They spend more and more and more and more and more. But yeah, that's maybe that has a short-term effect, but in the long run, it will not be successful. Then we have the energy crisis. Inflation is kicking in. China, construction. The construction business in China has huge problems, as you may have heard. Yeah, then certainly the pandemic is far from over. There are so many risk factors. It will take maybe a couple of months till maybe half a year. Then we see the real effects. We'll see the real effects of the Corona crisis, which is, from my point of view, by far not over. We will then see the effects on the. We will see that the effects on the real economy, they are far bigger. We will see, here, at least here in Austria, and I guess it's not different anywhere else in the world. There's still restrictions, etc. And after this 1.5 year or more I don't think that this will not hurt the economy and the employees. They will have to lay off. Employers, I mean, businesses will have to lay off still more employees. Unemployment is and will still be a huge problem. Yes, it's all paid on debt. They have pushed money into the markets, money that I think has not, let's put it this way, not always reached the people who would have needed it most. Yeah, and so I see there are, in my opinion, very uncertain times ahead. So, what can you do now? Treasury bonds are certainly not a good investment. I'm pretty sure about that. Maybe the US, you say, will default one day or another. Who knows? It sounds ridiculous or unreal, but yeah, they are only paying the interests on the bonds. They are rolling it over and over and over, and it's like a snowball that you roll and roll and roll. The debt gets bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. Yeah. Stocks are at a pretty high. Stock prices, you have 30 Dow is probably going to make new all-time highs soon. I can imagine that. But as I said, at some point, yeah, we will see what happens. And I don't think we will like it, what we will see. So what could you do? I see that the gold price is still, yeah, it's ranging around $750. Silver is at around, I think, 22, a bit above 22.50. Yeah. And especially, yeah, they are assets that they cannot default by nature. You can hold them. It's a very, very, very liquid market. Precious metals are high in demand. Yeah, and they're said to be a hedge against inflation, which is already kicking in. Prices, I think, of gold and silver are still more than reasonable, especially silver, that is maybe, I don't know, not 50, but 30%, 50, yeah, maybe. Let's think, yeah, no, it's nearly 50% below the all-time highs, so this could be, from my point of view, worth a try. So, especially if you are a holder of a retirement account, it might be time for you to consider these alternatives, especially when you're old and you don't have many years to make up for a potential mess that the upcoming financial crisis or even collapse may have on the value of your account. So if you want, just check the link below this video and get some more information. I wish you all a nice day. Goodbye. See ya.